In this video, I'll show you how to set or how to use a schedule for your Tapo Smart Plug. Now, as you can see, my Tapo Smart Plug is connected to a charger for my phone. This is the charger, and as you can see, it works. So it's on. So if I connect it here, it starts to charge my phone. Now, this is the Tapo P100 model, but these instructions will apply to any Tapo Smart Plug. So once you set up your Tapo Smart Plug on your phone and open the Tapo app, simply tap on this on your smart plug and you should see the schedule option. So tap on schedule, and here you need to tap on the plus icon in the top right corner, and it's going to bring you to this point. Now here you have two options. You have either the option to set a custom time or to configure sunrise and sunset times for the action that you want to happen to your smart plug, whether it's turning it on or off. So as you can see, it is set to currently 12:50 p.m. So we can set a custom time for 12:49 p.m. and we can set it to turn off just to see how that works. And then I can select the days when I want that to repeat. So I can remove weekends and let it remain on weekdays, and then I'll simply tap on save. So as you can see, it's currently charging my phone. So once it gets to 12:49 p.m., it's going to turn off this particular smart plug. As you can see, there you go, and it's off. Now you can add multiple schedules to this point, and you can come here and tap on the plus icon once again. And now you can set yet another schedule that is going this time, let's say, to turn on this particular smart plug so that my charger turns on and my phone continues charging. So let's set it to 12:50 p.m. Again, you can set it to turn on the device, set the repeat days as you'd like, and then tap on save. So now once it gets to 12:50 p.m., it's going to turn on. As you can see, this one was to turn off and this one is to turn on. So this is just a test to show you how that works. And once it gets to 12:50 p.m., it's going to turn off based on the schedule that I have set. Now, as I was saying, you have two options here. You have the option to select sunrise and sunset, and there you go. It's 12:50 p.m. and it has turned back on. So the schedule actually works. So as I was saying, you can set yet another schedule, and this time you can either set it to set the custom sunrise time, and if you're doing this for the first time, it's going to prompt you to verify that you're actually in the same location as your smart plug so that you can be able to configure it. So you can set the sunrise time, whether you want this particular smart plug to turn on or off before or after sunrise. So you can set any amount of hours, up to 5 hours that you want, or even the number of minutes that you want it to turn on or off, either before or after sunrise. And you can also do the same for sunset. And once you do that, you're going to have a custom time where your smart plug is going to be turning on or off. So for if it's sunset, you can set it to turn on just like that, and then if it is sunrise, you can set it to turn off just like that, and then select the repeat days once again. And after you select the repeat days, tap on save, and you're going to have yet another schedule for you. There you go. This is for sunrise. You can now come and set one again for sunset and set it to 1 hour after sunset, for example, to turn on, and then tap on save. And now you're going to you can set it to turn on and tap on save. And as you can see, these are the schedules that you have set. That's basically how to set a schedule on your Tapo Smart Plug. Like I said, these instructions will apply to any Tapo Smart Plug. Any smart plug from Tapo, they're going to work, and you're going to be able to see the next schedule that is liable to happen on your device there, and even in the home screen as you see up here. That's basically how to set a schedule. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Take care and God bless.